How to fix paper jam issues on HP Envy printers.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to fix paper jam issues on HP Envy printers. Paper jams can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can quickly resolve the problem and get back to printing smoothly. Let's get started.
Clearing paper jams.
The first step is to turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. This is important for your safety and to prevent any damage to the printer. Once the printer is powered off, open the paper input tray and remove any loose or partially fed paper. Make sure to inspect the entire paper path for any obstructions. Gently remove any jammed paper that you can see. Be careful not to tear the paper while doing this. If the paper is stuck, avoid using excessive force to pull it out, as it might cause damage to the printer.
Checking the printer mechanism.
After clearing the visible paper jams, it's important to check the printer mechanism for any residual bits of paper or foreign objects that might be causing the problem. Open the printer's rear access panel or duplexer, if available, and visually inspect the area. If you find any paper remnants or foreign objects, carefully remove them.
Adjusting paper guides.
Paper jams can also occur if the paper guides are not properly aligned. Check the paper guides in the input tray and ensure they are snugly against the paper stack but not too tight. If needed, adjust the paper guides to match the paper size and make sure they are aligned properly. This helps in preventing paper misfeeds and subsequent jams.
Using the right paper type.
Using the wrong type of paper can contribute to paper jams. Ensure that you are using compatible and appropriate paper for your HP Envy printer. Refer to the printer's user manual or the HP website to determine the recommended paper type and size. Using the correct paper reduces the chances of jams and improves overall print quality.
Testing the printer.
Once you have cleared any paper jams, close all the printer access panels and plug in the power cord. Turn on the printer and allow it to go through its initialization process. Now, try printing a test page or any other document to ensure that the paper jam issue has been resolved. If you encounter any further problems, refer to the printer's manual or contact HP support for assistance. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to fix paper jam issues on HP Envy printers. Remember to follow these steps carefully, and with a little patience, you can quickly resolve paper jam problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.